In case that your Tapo C500 camera doesn't want to connect with your Wi-Fi network, first thing is, as you can see right here, I'm at the setup, and there's multiple different networks, but you may notice that there's no 5G networks available, since only networks that you can connect with your camera are 2.4G. So you won't see any network that is 5G. You will need to make sure that you have 2.41. Now, when we have that established, if there's other problem like your camera right here glowing with only red light, that means you will need to reset your camera, and you can do it by flipping your camera gimbal up like I did. Then right here on the right you'll be able to find a plug, and inside there's a reset button right here where I'm pointing with my finger. Click and hold it for a few seconds until your camera says that the reset is successful, after which wait a few moments until it starts blinking with the red green light, which should make it ready to connect with your app and the network as well. So that is basically everything.